International Day for Interventional Cardiology, 16 September. What is International Day for Interventional Cardiology? Non-communicable diseases including heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, and chronic lung diseases are collectively responsible for about 70% of all deaths worldwide. The increasing incidence of non-communicable diseases constitutes a heavy burden on society, with serious social and economic consequences. There is a need to respond to cardiovascular diseases, cancers, diabetes, and chronic respiratory diseases, which represent a leading threat to human health and development. Cardiovascular disease are a group of disorders of a heart and blood vessels. An estimated 17.9 million people died for it in 2019, representing 32% of all global deaths. Of these deaths, 85% are due to heart attack and stroke. The key to cardiovascular disease reduction lies in the inclusion of cardiovascular disease management interventions in universal health coverage packages. Although in high number of countries' health systems, requires significant investment and reorientation to effectively manage cardiovascular diseases. Patients with cardiovascular disease should have access to appropriate technology and medication. Sometimes surgical operations are required to treat cardiovascular diseases. They include coronary artery bypass, balloon angioplasty, where a small balloon-like device is threaded through an artery to open the blockage. Then valve repair and replacement, heart transplantation, and artificial heart operations. Interventional Cardiology improves health, increases life expectancy, and improves the quality of life. The first coronary angioplasty was performed by Dr. Anders Krinsing on 16 September 1977. Since the angioplasty has been the procedure that has saved the most grams of myocardium at risk worldwide. In September 2022, the UN General Assembly decided to proclaim 16 September as International Day for Interventional Cardiology and invited stockholders to observe annually the International Day for Interventional Cardiology in an appropriate manner and in accordance with national priorities. In order to raise public awareness of cardiovascular diseases and procedures, related complications, as well as prevention and care, including through education and the mass media. Thank you. Have a happy International Day for Interventional Cardiology.